Up, Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this is the warning alert news for all Chainlink holders. My friends, the things are getting crazy. Wake up, my friends, wake up, holders. Things are getting crazy, my friends. Please, first of all, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. So let's start the video, my friends. You can see here the things are getting crazy. You can see here if we look the price changes of the Chainlink. So absolutely the price is very badly fast down in the last 60 minutes, approximately a negative 1.94% the price is going down in the last only 60 minutes, my friends. So there is a big loss for all Chainlink holders, but my friends, that's not mean that the price is going down so you decide to sell. No, my friends, be alert and don't do this mistake at this time, my friends. I have a solution for all of you. Just keep watch this video and be safe from loss. My friends, you know what, the Chainlink price is continuously fast down from our previous last 1 month. The price is going down. Let me show you the price chart for more and better understanding, all of you, my friends. My friends, from the price chart of the Chainlink, as I told you, my friends, that the price is going down from the previous days. You can see here from the previous last 1 month approximately the price is going down. But now the current situation is, I show you, my friends, that only in the last 60 minutes the price is going down negative 1.94%. So that is a big alert, my friends. That is a big warning for all of you, my friends. And you know what, a lot of people also do a mistake on this point. When people see the small fast token in the Chainlink, so they decide to sell. But if you still holding Chainlink, so my advice for all of you is that please hold it and don't decide to sell, my friends. Now this fast is for temporary, for 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, friends, 2-3 days the price will again pump. That is my prediction about Chainlink, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.